It's not 80 skills. These are 141. I had to count it twice. None of this is the AI being wrong. I just look at my Claude logs prompt, and I just came to like that I have typed more than like 10,000 prompts. Literally 10,806 prompts. So yeah, coming to the topic, like I had like 141, but the most skills that I mostly use are like 15 15 of them. So next time when somebody tells you like they have 140 skills, don't ask them like where they get it. Ask them like how they made it and how it helping them in the long run or in a practical usage. These are all connected. Like for example, if I am editing a video or if I am developing an application, so it is not gonna just look or work on one skill. It will immediately call the other skills. So that's how you need to make such an orchestration or some structure, that each skill is working with the another skill and each agent is working with the another one, so you get a perfect output back. Like, and have another skill that is critic loop to immediately discuss like what the previous agent has done and then give a point scoring, then give me the perfect output. Because so the first one is citation monitor. So citation monitor is a skill, like I said, like to keep looking at all the tasks and the skills that run. We have so much going on in our mind, and we just immediately say like, okay, let it schedule for tomorrow morning, at 8 a.m. Bali time, or if you're in any country, you can just name it and it will schedule that. And the next moment when you open your Claude code, it will immediately push that like, hey, you have this schedule routine or something, like you need to check. AI says like it is built, but it isn't, because it's just a simple voiceover and all the stuff. So lots of people, like, they tell you like, okay, yeah, this skill is working good, this skill is working good, like, but come on, we need to discuss on the pros and cons as well. In this AI world, like, there are so many pros. Obviously, like, it increases the efficiency in the back end. If you don't have a proper system, if you don't look at the logs and then monitor the files and all the stuff, you will get stuck, especially if you're working on a big projects or stuff like I do. Because this video is going to be edited by AI, and I know AI is not gonna like what I'm gonna say, so AI knows what I'm gonna say. This is what it is. Sometimes ask another AI to look at the skills. Okay, now you need to carefully check and give me all the errors or logs, like to give an argument or something or important detail. So it works really good. So the most important question like I'm getting at the moment is like how we use skills, how we can have more skills, because obviously, like, when you have multiple skills, you give your AI agents and all your architecture to more energy, more power. So the honest answer is like the skill is how you do something. A subagent is the one agent that is gonna use that skill in a perfect way. An MCP is what it can reach database browser. So the 3 rules: every skill gets a top line and a date, and you need to allow Claude Code to immediately add all details for all the stuff you are doing, for all the sessions, so it can look over your memory all the time. Nothing writes completely unless it's actually checked. So the number 3 rule is you need to define the skill in such a way so you can easily use it with one command. But I'm just curious, like, how many skills you have and how many repetitions or how many days or weeks you have worked over. And yeah, if you can also share some more detailed suggestions, like where we get amazing more skills. Yeah, so you got my skill number. It's 141. Some are broken, some are working really good, some I'm using on daily basis.